In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with Notion. This integration is a great way to keep your team informed and aligned because it allows important updates from Notion to appear directly inside your Slack channels. Instead of constantly switching back and forth between apps, everything stays connected in one smooth workflow, making collaboration faster and more efficient. To begin, make sure you are logged in to your Notion workspace. Once you are inside, look to the left sidebar where all your navigation options are located. From there, click on Settings. This area is where you can manage your account preferences, workspace behavior, and most importantly for this video, your integrations with other tools. After opening Settings, you will see several sections and tabs. Navigate to the Connections tab, which is located under the Account section, then click See All. This page acts as Notion's central hub for managing integrations with third-party platforms. Any tool you want to connect to Notion, including Slack, can be found or managed from here. Once you find Slack, you will see a Connect button directly below the Slack option. Click that button to start the integration process. When you click Connect, a new window will open. This window is the authorization screen that links Notion and Slack together. Here, you will see an overview of what the integration allows, including how Notion can send updates and interact with your Slack workspace. Carefully review the permissions shown on the screen so you understand what access is being granted. After reviewing the permissions and confirming you are comfortable with them, click Allow. This action authorizes the connection and completes the integration between Notion and Slack. The process usually takes only a few seconds. To confirm that everything was set up correctly, return to your Notion workspace and go back to Settings. Open the Connections tab once again, and you should now see Slack listed as an active connection. This confirms that the integration is ready to use. That's all there is to it. Your Notion workspace is now successfully connected to Slack, helping your team stay updated and communicate more effectively. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.